It was 4:30 in the morning and we were going on a sunrise hike up to Cape Byron.
We just made it up here to the viewpoint.
The hike to Cape Byron lighthouse takes about 1 hour from downtown Byron Bay. It's a spectacular view with some history behind it. I hiked further down the mountain to the sea level.
Here we have Byron Bay, the most eastern point of the east coast in Australia. In the background you can see the remains of volcanic activity taking place millions of years ago.
Volcanic activity is thought to have created this part of Byron Bay.
An interesting fact about this place is that this may not have been here in the beginning of this planet. It all came from volcanic activity.
Planet Earth is thought to have been in existence for the past 3.5 billion years. A lot of areas in Australia and New Zealand are thought to have been created a few hundred million years ago.
Volcanoes underground started pouring out ash that then came down onto the sea floor and formed a layer. This layer is now where I am standing.
This information comes from speculation. Despite the scientific theories, nobody has a single clue on how this planet came into existence. When the sun goes up in Byron Bay, you will start to see people going out to the ocean with their surfboards to go to the most famous beaches: Byron Beach, Tallow Beach and Clark's Beach. There are only about 9,000 people living in Byron Bay, but the city itself is full of backpackers and tourists.
There are many different walkways leading from one beach to another. Byron Bay has a tropical climate and about 120 rain days per year, which explains why it's still fairly green in this area. Here is one of many entrances to Clark's Beach. This beach is almost 60 kilometers long and it stretches all the way to the next town.
In the afternoon you will see hundreds of people on the beach enjoying their vacation. No matter where you go in Australia, along the coast there is always a beach to enjoy.
I just went swimming. It's really nice actually. The water really warm. I'm here in my van where I have been sleeping. Actually, last night I didn't sleep in here. I slept in a hostel last night. That was kind of nice, but it's too noisy. I would much rather sleep in my van. Got my king single-size bed in here, and Byron Bay was pretty cool actually.
If you enjoyed watching this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel.